How to make 3D Fortnite logo in Photoshop. File, then click New. Input the text you want. Ctrl-T to resize text. Add the picture, resize. Right-click on picture layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Continue, add one more picture you want. Same step with previous picture. Select the text layer, right-click and choose Stroke. Select all text and layers. Press Ctrl-E to group all layers. Then go to 3D menu and click New 3D Extrusion from selected layer. Click mouse and drag. You can rotate 3D logo. On the right side, you can see the panel. You can adjust shape preset. And extrusion depth. Adjust twist and taper. Coordinates for rotate 3D logo. After adjust OK, click logo layer. Right-click and choose render. Just waiting, please don't click anything. Subscribe my channel for more Photoshop tutorial.